Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato candy. And these candies remind me of the cream candies that you get in a box of chocolates. And I always found these too sweet, but they were my dad's favorite candies. So let's get started. I'm going to start with approximately ½ cup of mashed potatoes. I'm going to add about a cupful of vanilla and mix that in a little bit. And then I'm going to start adding confectioner sugar. And it's going to turn liquidy like this to begin with. So just keep adding confectioner sugar. And when it becomes thick like this, place some icing sugar on the board and empty the dough. And then you're going to start kneading it. Until your dough turns into a non-sticky dough of this consistency. And now I'm going to roll it out, and that parchment paper keeps wanting to roll up, so I'm just going to wrinkle it so that it will be more rigid. So I'm still going to use icing sugar to keep it from sticking. And I'm going to roll it into a rectangle. And the traditional method is to spread peanut butter on it. And then roll it. I'm going to get it started with the paper. With that, and then I'm going to roll it up and I'm going to refrigerate it. And I'm going to roll some of them into sprinkles. So just take a small amount. So I'm just going to incorporate some of the sprinkles into my dough. Like that. And I'm also going to flatten those down. Like that. And I'll press some of these little Christmas trees in some. And now here's the one from the fridge. And there's what that will look like. Like that. And I'm going to dip some in chocolate sprinkles. And I'll do some in multicolored sprinkles. And on some, I will drizzle some melted chocolate. And sprinkle a few almond flakes on. So you can just decorate these any way you like. Put them aside to harden up, either in the fridge or just on the counter. And these have been in the refrigerator for a few hours, and they have hardened up quite well. And they remind me of the cream candies that you usually get in a box of chocolates. And they are good, but they're a little too sweet for me. So one thing for sure, you'd only really be able to eat just one. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make potato candy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.